If you're looking for a high-performance Ethernet cable that delivers lightning-fast speeds and top-notch durability, the Smolink Cat 8 Ethernet cable might just be the perfect solution for you. In this review, we'll dive into its key features and see why it's a great choice for both gaming and professional use. One of the biggest highlights of this cable is its 40 Gbps transmission speed, which is 4 times faster than Cat 7 Ethernet cables. With a bandwidth of up to 2000 MHz, the Smolink Ethernet cable ensures a seamless internet experience, whether you're streaming HD videos, playing online games, or handling heavy office tasks. No more lag or buffering, just pure high-speed connectivity. Unlike traditional round cables, this one features a flat design that helps prevent tangling and save space. This makes it incredibly flexible and easy to install, allowing you to run it along walls, corners, or under carpets without any hassle. If you prefer a clean and organized setup, this design is a big plus. Smolink has taken network stability seriously by using 100% 30 AWG pure thick shielded twisted pair (SFTP) copper wires. This ensures minimal EMI RFI interference, optimizing signal quality for an uninterrupted connection. Additionally, the 24K gold-plated RJ45 connectors provide corrosion resistance and help maintain a stable, noise-free connection for the long term. Incredible durability. Durability is another strong suit of this cable. It features a double-braided nylon exterior, making it resistant to dirt, tangles, and general wear and tear. Rigorous testing shows that it can withstand over 15,000 bends and supports up to 55 pounds of pull force without breaking, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Universal compatibility. No matter what device you're using, this Ethernet cable has you covered. Equipped with RJ45 connectors, it's compatible with 10, 100, 1010G, and 40G base T networks, and can seamlessly connect to computers, printers, routers, smart TVs, gaming consoles, media players, and more. Inside the package, you'll receive a 50-foot Smolink Cat 8 Ethernet cable with 2000 MHz bandwidth, ensuring top-tier performance for all your networking needs. Overall, the Smolink Cat 8 Ethernet cable is a fantastic investment for anyone in need of ultra-fast, stable, and durable wired internet. Its high-speed performance, tangle-free flat design, and rugged build make it an excellent choice for gamers, streamers, and professionals alike. Whether you're upgrading your home network or setting up a professional workstation, this cable delivers in every aspect. Highly recommended. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Alltech for more tech reviews.